Look at all that fresh smoke. I just thought I'd show you. Look how that smoke just kind of rolls out there. Oh, you can't really see it on the camera, can you? But I assure you it's there. All this smoke all the way through the cab. All that creosote from the fresh coal as it cokes over for the night after the fire's banked. See all that smoke coming out. Talk about a smokehouse, right? Oh, by the way, that's a tribute to Tom Stevens, who passed away recently. He was a longtime member. They did a tribute to him on the website for the Fort Wayne Railroad. Passed away recently. But as you can tell, it's absolutely quiet when all the accessories are turned off. All that smoke. I wonder if that'll stay up there for more than a season. Some leaking water, steam. Yep.